If you receive Social Security and you are still getting a paper check in the mail, you need to watch this video right now because the government is about to make a change that could stop your payment dead in its tracks, and most people have no idea this is happening. What's happening? First, you come my channel. Please subscribe. On June 2nd, 2026, the Social Security Administration posted an official blog update confirming something major. They are completing the full elimination of paper check for all Social Security beneficiaries before the end of this year. This is not a rumor. This is not a clickbait. This came straight from ssa.gov. Now, here's the good news. If you are already on direct deposit, you don't need to do anything. You're fine. This video is for people who are still receiving a physical check in the mail every month. According to the SSA, over 95% of payments are already digital, but there is still a small group, hundreds of thousands of people who are still on paper, and the government is now coming for that last group. Why this is happening? So why is the government doing this? Three big reasons. Number one, social security. Paper check are 16 times more likely to be lost, stolen, alternate, or returned as undeliverable 16 times. Mail theft is a real problem targeting seniors and low income households. Number two, cost. If it cost over $3 to print and mail a single check and electronic transfer less than 15 cents, the government saves millions every year by going digital. Number three, speed. Electronic payments hit your account on your scheduled payment date. No waiting for the mailman. No worrying about a check sitting in your mailbox over a holiday weekend. Your two options. Okay, what you need to do. So if you are still on a paper check, you have exactly two options. Let me walk you through both. Option first, direct deposit. This is the most common option. You give the SSA your bank account number and routing number, and your payment goes straight into your checking or saving account every month. Save fast, automatic. You can get this up three-way online at ssa.gov. Go to My Social Security and update your payment method. Call SSA at 1-800-772-1213. Visit your local SSA office in person. Option 2, the Direct Express debit card. Now, what if you don't have a bank account? Maybe you don't trust banks. Maybe you are never had one. That's okay. The government created a program just for you. It's called Direct Express. It's a prepaid debit MasterCard managed through the Treasury Department. Your Social Security payment loads onto the card automatically each month. You can use it anywhere. MasterCard is accepted. Grocery store, pharmacy, ATMs. To sign up for Direct Express, call 1-800-333-1795. What if you can't switch? What if you can't switch? Now, I know some of you watching might be in situation where switching to electronic payments is genuinely difficult. Maybe you have a disability. Maybe you live in a rural area with limited banking access. Maybe there are mental health concerns involved. The government does have a process for you. You can request an exemption waiver through the US Treasury Department. The number to call is 1-877-874-6347. Write that down, call them, explain your situation, they will work with you. But, and I want to be very clear, do not just ignore this and assume your paper check will keep coming. It will stop. You need to take action. Bonus 2026 Cola update. And since you are here, let me quickly cover the other big social security update for 2026 that affect everyone. The annual cost of living adjustment or COLA increased benefits by 2.8% this year. For the average retiree, that's about $56 more per month, bringing the average monthly benefit to around $2,071. However, Medicare Part B premium also went up to $200 $2.90 per month. So in reality, after that deduction, many beneficiaries are seeing a net increase of closer to $39 per month. Still, more money is more money. Make sure you are actually receiving your full amount. Alright, here your action plan before I let you go. If this video help you, or if you know a parent, grandparent, or navigor who still gets a paper check, please share this with them if could save their payment. Like this video, hit subscribe and ring that bell so if you never miss a social security update, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.